IPOB, they say IPOB don't go meet Israel Defense Force, so no be small thing, everywhere go red. As we dey talk right now, they say that the roads for Anambra wey Soludo don build for Anambra, say that road now if you sleep for inside the drive they go bring the video, can show you. No be small thing, no. As if they talk that one now, they say that hope Uzodinma machineries, people will invite come help and fight to so that election fit hold for Imo State. Don't promise and say nothing they happen. My people, we'll go find out how this thing happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Please share this video so that other people go see what they do for here and also be part of this great wonderful channel. Don't be small thing. We'll go take the update one by one. We know what thing they happen as we talk right now. The Hope Uzodinma, the Imo State police commandant, other foreign help where they invite come, don't promise and say me no worry, say no shaking. I mean go ahead, go do election and the parliament Tinubu, as he don't give them order now, say nothing go happen, say they gidigbam. Don't be smart thing. More play you the video before we jump into the next Ogbonge news what we get for hand. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Upon assumption of office as the Inspector General of Police of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I immediately outlined strategic and pragmatic measures to be taken to reposition the force in line with Mr. President's determination to reform and strengthen the nation's security architecture.
In our capacity, we have the power to enhance security, to promote cooperation, and to facilitate knowledge sharing. As you deliberate and exchange ideas, I encourage you to put the well-being of this nation as your priority by safeguarding our democracy.
As his name means, has restored hope to this state, has renewed hope to Imo lives, and will definitely continue to sustain hope that they have in his leadership.
Let me assure you that the government of Imo State will continue to assist security agencies, including the police, in the discharge of their constitutional duties. In the next couple of days, we shall be holding our governorship election in the state. I charge you to be professional, as always, in the exercise of your assignment. Do not give room to hoodlums to disrupt the election. Just take charge and do your jobs as prescribed by the Constitution. On that note, I wish you a very successful and fruitful deliberation.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, and that's why I would like to do, bring you people fat. May you see what in they happen. We'll try our best to make sure saying to what they talk for here with the back and up with evidence so that you go watch them and no say we know they carry fake news. Okay, my people, may you leave your own contribution for comment section. Imo State, they say they don't ready wait for anybody who want to destroy the election. As you don't hear them there now. No be small thing. Let's quickly jump into the next Ogbonge news where we'll get for hand. They say that the IPOB don't go meet Israel Defense Force, Israel Defense in to show solidarity and to let them know that the IPOB is fully with them. The IPOB stand with Israel. So we'll go play the video, may you watch. And before we go come back, continue. Stay tuned.
This is our friends.
IPOB.
IPOB Israel. Nice. Great. This is the video, right?
So this is for the IDF.
We are very grateful to receive this donation from IDF.
Yes, thank you very much for the donation, yeah? And now it's... What?
We stand with Israel. We love Israel with passion.
Okay.
We fight with Israel and make sure Israel comes to normalcy.
Great.
Thank you.
Welcome back, my great people. No be small thing. As you don't watch am, don't see am, they say they stand with Israel and they give them something for envelope, a kind of a donation to support what Israel is doing. I wish these people wey get white color go realize the kind love wey black people they show them and also support them in their own way without no looking to take their resources. Talk na talk o, I don't talk am. No be small thing. They say that the road wey Soludo don award, they carry the caterpillar come grade the road. They say right now, say for that road, even though you wear stockings, if you roll go reach your destination without no motor. No be small thing. Mo go bring the road come up, may you see how they take they deceive themselves, and how we they deceive for this for the country where they call Nigeria.
Okay, this is the current state of the Uzodinma Iňvitë road in Ogidi and Ogbunike. The road leads from Ogidi to Ogbunike to the popular building materials market that is situated at the main road of Onitsha Enugu Express Road. If you're familiar with this road, you will know where this is. This is the current state of the road. A few months ago, the Commissioner of Information Anambra State announced that the Anambra State Executive have awarded this road and mobilized the contractors to go on site. This road was better before the contract was awarded, but you can all see the current state of the road, motorists how they struggle, businesses and everything that is around there, how they are struggling. It's unfortunate that our professor of a governor, who the people now call Ojiono, is known for someone who makes bogus promises without fulfilling any. This road is very strategic. It connects Ogidi, that is a very popular town in Idemili North, connects Ogbunike and various other places around these two local governments, Oyi and Idemili North. This road leads you to Onitsha, Asaba. It leads you to building material, cosmetic material, toll gate, Ogbunike, and a whole lot of places that are strategic to this state. Yet, this is the current state of the road. Few weeks to Christmas, nothing has been done. You can see it for yourself. Thank you.
Welcome back, my people. As you have watched that video, this is the current situation of the road that the people that call themselves a governors are doing for their own people. We see what they are doing. This road is actually, you don't even need the motorbike or bicycle to pass this road. You can wear a stockings, and just when you come outside in the front of the road, then you enter, the thing will roll you to your destination. And the governors are being blackfolded. They don't see what is going on in the state they are governing. And no be smart. This is one of the things that made me to love Rochas Okorocha doing his own work. Every morning you go and check the work that he's not even the minister of work, but he's been doing this, whether they are doing it or they are not doing it. But this part, I love that man so much for this particular part. No be small thing. They say that the IPOB has called Imo State government never that they have called out INEC that never allow anybody to use them to ring election in Imo State. So let's look into the indigenous people of Biafra. IPOB has warned the official of the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC against rigging the November 11th governorship election in Imo State. No be small thing. This is IPOB. DOS have said this particular has made this particular statement, and this is coming from the secretary published this thing. Imo Powerful. This is coming from Imo Powerful. So he said that IPOB said it would not be silent and allow the Nigeria government to use INEC officials to carry out evil in the state. No be smart, you know. A statement by the IPOB spokesman Imo Powerful have said this to INES which is the INEC. They have turned them to be very, very conscious of not allow anyone to use them in order to rig the election in Imo State. No be small thing. So guys, let us know what you think in the comment section. Do you think that the election will be rigged, or do you think that they must restore Hope Uzodinma in that position? And then let us know what you think about the visiting of IPOB to the Israel defense. And let us know what you think about what Soludo is doing in Anambra State. Is he building their road very well? No be small thing, you know. And let us know what Hope Uzodinma and the other commissioner of a police said in this particular video that I will play for you. So guys, let's talk in the comment section. Please share this video, very, very important, and make sure that you have subscribed and also follow our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update.